mob together. And then we use the heading dog just to steer the sheep. So they kind of, they keep the front moving side to side, get it through the gateways and things like that. And you can pay upwards of about 3,000 New Zealand dollars for a broken and working dog in New Zealand. And they can live up to about 12, well they can have about 12, and they start work about 1 year old. So they've got a good life. And you can use verbal commands or whistle commands with the dogs. I use whistle, I use both. There's a bit of yelling at times, just to control them. But yeah, they're very strong. The Huntaway is a very strong person to work. Well, go, Bounce. Good boy, well, go. Well, go. Stand. Well, go. He's got a bit of a husky bark to him.
Yeah.
Some of them have a lot stronger barks. Well, go, Bounce. Well, go. Good boy. We normally get up quite early when we're actually doing farm work. In the summertime we have to get up very early. The Huntaway out, I just try and move the sheep along the fenceway just to demonstrate how the Huntaway pushes the sheep. I'll just give him this left command. Well, go, Tink. Well, go, Tink.
He is a barker.
Bounce!
Tiny one. Dog. He's having too good a time. Very good.
Well, go, Bounce! Well, go, Bounce! Well, go, Bounce!
Oh, man.
Well, go.
I'm having too much fun out here.
You can see that's how they drive. Dog, she's eye dog, heading dog.
Get a beer after this?
Go for it.
Oh, they're going to move over there.
Yeah.
She's just sort of the boss, really. She's
Yeah.
The overseer. I've got left and right commands. Right.
There's a little one now.
That's left. That'll do. That'll do. Sorry about the dust. Quiet, Bounce. So we work the dogs together, and we've got about 5,000 sheep that we run on the farm in the winter, and I can just use these two dogs to move them around.
Wow.
As you can see, the sheep they all move together.
我刚刚都没有
start
照到
barking, so
那个 start
makes it a bit easier.
stupid.
The breed of sheep we've got here is what we call a Romney from England. It's bred for its carpet wool, so it's a coarse, quite a coarse type of wool, and also they're bred for their meat, for their lamb meat. Some of you might have had lamb meat before. I'll just put these sheep into this yard here. Well, go, Bounce. Come on. Well, go, Bounce. Well, go. Bounce, will I go, will I go, will I go, Bounce, will I go.
Whoa!
Will I go, Bounce, will I go. Stand.
Moving that
Yeah, good boy, that'll do. So there you go, you saw them both working together.
Yeah.
Tink got off and